Hi everybody, welcome to the home of Crybaby Performance, where today we're going to talk about the oil seal in the Honda 120 engine. The oil seal is called out in the Honda manual. Number 1, oil seal goes on the intake valve. They don't have one on the exhaust valve because who cares if a little oil goes out the exhaust. This seal prevents oil from under your valve cover coming up the valve stem, making it into the combustion chamber, and following out your spark plug. This oil seal is located at the base of the intake valve in the cylinder head. The oil comes up through this hole from the crankcase to lubricate everything in the cylinder head. So now we go to the quarter midget rules, and it says if any Honda engine is found to have the valve seal during inspection, it should be a race day disqualification. So you're not allowed to run this little valve seal. But why? In the other part of the manual, it does say to remove the valve seal. Of course, not valve seal assembly, but then it says you can add the 30 thousandths washer, I'm assuming to take up the distance of the metal piece. Inspecting the valve seal assembly, it's a metal stamping with a rubber seal at the top. This seal can be removed with a knife or a little bit of an oversized drill bit, and it will take the rubber seal right out from this part. I have seen this in many engines in place of the 30 thousandths washer, but missing the black rubber seal. In this little assembly, the base of this part is 30 thousandths. Then we have the seal, which is the rubber part. That rubber part scrapes the oil off the valve so it does not end up in the combustion chamber. This is what's turning your spark plug brown, black, and fouled. Why would anybody want to remove this from the engine? So this little piece provides spring pressure, prevents oil from getting up in the combustion chamber. And when it's removed, you're allowing anything that's in the oil to make it into the combustion chamber. And some of these companies sell oil with additives that will make it up in the combustion chamber and give you a bigger bang. So now we know what this little assembly does. Can we leave the metal in and add it to the ring? Can we remove just the seal? It's clear as mud to me, but maybe you should check with your local tech director. When you're looking for advantage, it's all around you. It's all the little things. From the home of Crybaby Performance, where we try and they cry.